Hello, Nick Zissimopoulos, Glassman and Zissimopoulos Law, some legal advice in 2 minutes or less. This is another video in the series of why you should consult with and probably hire a local lawyer if you're going to hire a lawyer at all. And this is advice I give myself too. I get phone calls often for people who want me to go down to Central Florida or South Florida and take cases. And if the situation is right, I might be willing to do it, but I always tell people, look, you want an attorney who knows the tendencies, especially in criminal defense, of the people who will be making some of the decisions, and that includes the prosecutor. In Alachua County and in the surrounding areas up to Lake City and even Marion County, I have a general idea of who the prosecutor is going to be on every case. I can either look it up in our local clerk's computer, or I'll know just based on the alphabet where it falls on the court dockets, which prosecutor is likely to have it. And that's important because if you've worked with those prosecutors in the past, you know, do they want information early? Are they people who don't necessarily want information early and they're going to make their decisions based on information that doesn't come from the defense lawyer but comes from the police or comes from the alleged victim? Knowing the tendencies of a prosecutor, how they've handled cases in the past, gives you some insight into how they might handle cases in the future. Now, every case is different and people can be different in different situations. So it's not 100% foolproof, but it is important, I think, and if I was in trouble in a different county, I would probably hire a lawyer who had experience in that county. So, Nick Zissimopoulos, Glassman and Zissimopoulos Law, if you do find yourself in need of a lawyer in the Gainesville area or surrounding areas, please consider us. And I would always encourage you to at least consider consulting and hiring local attorneys who are near where the problem you're having is. Some legal advice, 2 minutes or less.